This video is about how to restore payment reminders that you may have accidentally completed. I get a lot of requests for us to restore that when they're accidentally deleted, so now we give you the ability to do this on your own. So I'm going to start with these two reminders here. I'm just going to mark them as complete so that they are no longer on the dashboard. Now in the event that you see one that is missing and you need to restore it, you can do that simply by going to your edit dashboard, and then you can click on manage reminders, and then down here where it says restore reminders, you're going to click this button, and it gives you some criteria that you can enter to search for that particular reminder. If you're not sure which date you received it on, look for the email that you received when the client submitted it. So this one I did today, so I'm going to put today's date, and you do need to enter the 4-digit year, and if you have the booking number, go ahead and put that in there too, and then just click find reminder records, and you can see here's one that was submitted today, and I'm just going to click restore. You will get a confirmation here that it was successful, and now when I scroll down I can see that new reminder. I can go to the payment, edit it, do whatever I need to for it, and that's it.